Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a recruitment which is announced by India Post Payments Bank. The recruitment is for information technology executives. There are 54 vacancies for different scales. It is a contractual post of 3 to 5 years. Initial period of contract is 3 years, which can be extended for 2 more years. The opening date of online registration is 4th of May and last date of online submission of application is 24th of May. Eligibility criteria for different posts is mentioned. Age and post-qualification experience should be as on 1st April 2024 and details of number of reserve vacancies is also given. For executive associate consultant, age should be between 22 to 30 years. Post-qualification work experience required is 1 year. There are 28 vacancies for associate consultant. For consultant post, age should be between 22 to 40 years. The post-qualification work experience should be 4 years and there are 21 vacancies for this. For senior consultant post, 22 to 45 years can be your age. Post-qualification work experience is 6 and 5 are the number of vacancies. So total 54 vacancies are there. These are the category-wise vacancies. The posting can be in New Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai, and post-wise number of vacancies in every place is given. So you can check this out from the notification PDF. I am attaching this in the description below. Let's look at the eligibility criteria. For associate consultant position, payment application support, the minimum education qualification is BE BTech in computer science, information technology, electronics, or MCA of 3 years, or BCA BSc in computer science, information technology, electronics. Job description is given, you can check this out. Then for executive consultant, payment and application support, these are the minimum qualifications. The minimum education qualification is same for every post. What varies is the job description. A little bit variation is there in the job description and also the post qualification work experience. For senior consultant, again, education qualification is the same. You can check out the job description from this PDF. So first category is for payment application support. Then the second category is for IT support. Again, education qualification is same. Skill set and experience required is mentioned. You can check this out. Should have experience in monitoring Java based application, should have experience in monitoring core banking applications, experience in managing enterprise network devices, deployment of AIX, Red Hat, Solaris servers, monitoring of TB performance, etc. So you can check all this out. These are the specific skill set that is required. Then you have IT support consultant position, 19 vacancies. Education qualification is same. Skill set and experience required is mentioned. For consultant, 4 years experience is required. Then you have senior consultant, which is core insurance solution. Again, education qualification is the same. The skill set is different. Experience requirement is mentioned. You can check these out. Then for senior consultant, data governance, database active monitoring. For this, there is 1 vacancy. For senior consultant, DC manager, minimum education qualification is same. Post qualification experience is 6 years and skill set and experience required is also mentioned in which domain this experience should be there. So these are the various types of recruitment. The period of contract shall be for 3 years and may be extended for a further period of 2 years on the basis of individual performance. So in selection process, it is mentioned selection will be made on the basis of interview. However, bank reserves the right to conduct assessment, group discussion or online test in addition to interview. For now, only interview is there. उसके अलावा अगर कोई एग्जाम या फिर ग्रुप डिस्कशन हुआ, that will be informed later on. The pay and allowances are mentioned. For executive associate consultant, the maximum CTC is rupees 10 lakh per annum. For executive consultant, it's 15 lakh per annum. For senior consultant, it's 25 lakh per annum. Candidates selected may be offered a hike up to 30% on their last drawn CTC subject to suitability, skill set and experience. So these can also be varied depending upon your existing CTC. You can get a 30% hike on your last drawn CTC. The initial place of posting will be Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. The rest of the details are related to application guidelines. You can check them out. You can join India Post Payment Bank for 3 to 5 years. This will give you a good exposure and CTC is also great. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can let us know. You can write them down in the comment below. You can also check out our various courses for SEBI IT, NABARD IT, IBPS, SOIT recruitment. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.